Welcome to your channel, Early Learners and Right Brainers. Please subscribe, hit the bell icon. Hi friends, this is Shraddha. Welcome to your channel that is Early Learners and Right Brainers. Today's topic is what to do when my child is not looking at flashcards. So guys, welcome to your channel. Do subscribe so that you can get more videos from my side. There are few things that you should make sure you're doing it correctly to make sure that your child is going to look at the flashcards. There are many reasons why the child gets distracted. One of them is lack of interest or incorrect material created by parents, or they are just not interested to do the flashcards right now. Bored, not want to do. Fifth, exciting environment. Sixth, baby is big enough. He's already seen and learned a lot of things. So now what to do when your child is between 0 to 3 years and he or she is not looking at the flashcards. I am not going to discuss about 3 plus child because these children are toddlers and they are like highly active kids, and it is extremely difficult to make them sit and do the flashcards. So this video is only for the babies who are 0 to 3 years. You may follow this if you want to, but I think babies who are 3 plus, there are many other right brain activities which you should focus. Flashcards, it just takes 1 second to do it, but if you are not able to do it correctly, the child is going to get bored, and then you will feel that the right brain doesn't work and you will feel the guilty and all those things. So best thing is to just try to do other good right brain or activities with your child, which I'm going to discuss one by one. So stay tuned, okay? Don't get disheartened. So coming back to the topic, why children get distracted. Reasons I have already mentioned: lack of interest, exciting environment, the baby is big enough now. Fourth could be just not well. Fifth could be he's bored, he's not interested, he finds other things more exciting. Okay, so mainly it is all about interest. What could be the wrong reason? The parents have made the material quite incorrectly, so the material is not correct. Now what should we do to resolve this issue? The first thing is make sure that the size of the flashcards are correct. That's why I say it is better to go professional. You don't have to buy like 2000 cards, you have to buy some cards, so better you buy it from a good place. Now if you have decided that no, I just want to do my home cards only, then make sure that the size of the word cards is 3 inch, like the word should be 3 inch big. The shape could be rectangle, the length could be 6 inches, the breadth could be 6 inches, the length could be 22 inches. But if at all this big flashcard is difficult to create, you can adjust the size, but the word should be 3 inch only. Same goes with the dot cards. Make sure that the circles are good enough and they are 3 centimeters in radius, so they should be big enough. They should be colored properly, printed properly, no pixelated, no distortion, or best is to buy from outside. Now second is make sure that you can sit your child on a high chair, so he doesn't have any distraction around, so he understands that okay, now I'm on the high chair and the height is big enough, so now I'm going to have a flashcard session. Or third point could be just make your child sit at a place where there are minimal distractions or no distractions at all, no toys, nothing. So in a day, anytime, just tell your child, now we are going to do the flashcards. But see, if your child is already enjoying a activity and suddenly you say now let's do flashcards, then that's not going to happen. Now you can see that your child is bored or going to sleep or he's not interested or cranky. That is a good time to make them feel like let's do flashcards, and then make him sit on a high chair and show the flashcards. The fourth could be that you like with enthusiasm, you're just bored and you're just showing and there's no interest from your side, or there is doubt from your side, then this is not going to work. So be enthusiastic and be very very excited. And fifth and the last point is that make sure that you add variety. Like you can use only 12 sets, but make sure that you mix and match. Or today you will show word cards, tomorrow you will show word cards and picture cards. Like that, you just keep on mix and matching. Make a variety. That doesn't mean keep on buying. Buy less amount, but make sure that you show today 5 cards, tomorrow you show 7 cards, like that. So make it a lot of exciting. Also, I want to say the seventh point as make sure that your child and you are not having a big expectation. Don't be very high on expectation. It's okay, some days they are going to support, some days they are not going to support. So just be like, just let them be, just love them for their efforts. Even if they have read only 5 cards, it's okay, just give them love. That is more important. Okay. And I think these are the basic things that you can do to gain the interest. And yes, the main important thing, you are going very slow. The flashcards should be flashed like very fast. I have given a video already, like how fast the flashing should be there. So if you show the cards very fast, like the baby should just look at it like this should be the emotion. He or she should not think anything. So you should say the words very quickly, and the flashing should be very fast. No need of thinking whether the baby will understand or not. If you go slow, the baby is going to get bored. You know why? Because the baby has to think, now what is this, now what is that. You just don't have to make them think, you just have to show them. Flashcards is for eyes, not for hearing. Okay, so do not test the child whether they have heard it correctly or not. Just show them, and show them very very fast. I think these are the main points. And if you understand it very nicely, the mistakes that can go wrong is the printing material could be wrong, the way you are making your child sit could be wrong. Like he is sitting in a tub of toys, he will of course not look at the flashcards. Third, you are not enthusiastic, he or she is also not enthusiastic. So coming back to the solution, use a high chair, use the flashing cards very fast, make sure the measurements of the flashcards are correct, the words are correct, you are interested and the child is interested. Also make this activity a fun, and don't keep high expectations, keep the expectations low. The child is always going to surprise you, and love them a lot. Okay guys, thanks a lot, thanks for listening, thank you so much. Your mind is a powerful tool. Practice your affirmation today. You can do it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.